In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable global media controls picture-in-picture in Brave using the flags page. If the floating mini player or the picture-in-picture toggle in Brave's media controls is getting in your way, this quick walkthrough will help you turn it off safely. Start by opening the Brave browser on your computer. Make sure any important work is saved, because we'll need to relaunch the browser at the end for the change to take effect. In the address bar at the top, type Brave//flags and press Enter. This opens Brave's experimental features page, often called the flags page. These options let you turn on or off features that are still being tested, so it's a good idea to change only what you came here to change. At the top of the flags page, you'll see a search box. Click into it and type picture-in-picture or global media controls. Either term should help you narrow down the list quickly, since names can vary slightly depending on your Brave version. You're looking for a flag named Global Media Controls Picture-in-Picture, or something very close to that. This flag controls whether the picture-in-picture functionality is integrated into Brave's toolbar media controls. If you don't see it immediately, scroll a bit or tweak your search term between picture-in-picture and global media controls until it appears. Once you've found it, look to the right for a small dropdown. Click that menu and choose Disabled. This tells Brave to turn off the picture-in-picture feature tied to the global media controls. Leave other flags alone unless you're certain what they do. Changing unrelated settings can lead to unexpected behavior. After selecting Disabled, Brave will display a prompt at the bottom asking you to relaunch for changes to take effect. Click the Relaunch button. Brave will close and reopen your windows. If you had multiple tabs open, they should restore automatically, but it's always smart to save anything important before this step. When Brave comes back up, the global media controls picture-in-picture integration should be turned off. Your videos will continue to play normally, but you shouldn't see the picture-in-picture option from the global media toolbar. Depending on the site, other video controls or site-specific mini players may still function as usual. If you can't find the flag, your Brave build may label it slightly differently, or it may have moved in a newer version. Try both search terms and remember that flags can change over time. You can always come back to this page later and set the same flag to default or enabled if you want to restore the feature.